I really don't understand how life is an adventure. Adventure for me is doing something crazy, doing something that scares the shit out of you. Maybe doing skydiving or bungee jumping or whatever, something that can kill you. So that is adventure for me. Or maybe it's about being brave. So I took this bike trip across the Himalayas, challenging the fears in my mind and testing the limits of my body. I was also joined by a friend. Maybe he's as crazy as I am. 8 घंटे की कंटिन्यूस और बहुत ज़्यादा टायरिंग बाइक राइड के बाद हम पहुँचे चोपटा. The terrain was tough and there was a landslide in between. And now we are planning to trek for 6 more hours and camp in the night at the top. बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होने वाला है बॉडी के लिए. It'll be tiring. And we are just pushing the limits of the body. This is the moment of doubt. Should we do it or should we not? I don't know. बताओ भाई क्या करना है? Let's do it तो ठीक है. Consequences भी तो face करने पड़ते हैं. Hail from We all have that big dream to be someone or to create something, but we are far too complacent or fearful to get out of that routine, that comfort zone. And adventure, it is the only way out. Adventure is that thrilling journey where discomfort and risk is the first thing you get, but satisfaction and happiness is the last. And how do you go on an adventure? Just be aware and know when you are on the platform, and don't look down at the consequences and the negatives, because it'll just pull you back. Rather look straight ahead and leave all your worries and doubts on that platform and take that leap of faith, and believe me, you'll fly. And then you'll know that you are on an adventure.